What's up YouTube? Manny from Motomillion here. Thank you for tuning in. Just want to show you these new rear sets by Gilles Tooling. They're for the 2019/2020 S1000RR. They look good in pictures, but wait till you see them in person, man. These are beautiful. One thing I'm going to say is they play mind games with you because these things look so beefy and sturdy. You expect them to be a lot heavier than what they are, and you pick them up and you're like, whoa, didn't expect them to be that light. If you're running your rear sets and need an exhaust bracket for it, here it is. If you're running an exhaust that does not need it, like the Krapovich Evolution line, there's 2 bolts right there. You can remove those and they come right off. Has the knurled foot pegs for grip, adjustment points so that you could adjust the rear sets to your ergonomics. Comes with the carbon fiber heel guards. All of them have that. It's not an option. It's standard on all of them. And the shifter peg right here, it can be set up for reverse shift or standard shift. So if you guys are running GP shift, you could put that on the GP shift mode. Or if you want the standard shift, if you're used to that, you could run them just as it is. It works with the kickstand, so don't worry about that, because I know that's a question that we've been getting is, does it work with a kickstand? Because some manufacturers are claiming that their stuff doesn't work with kickstands. But here they are, the newest and the greatest by Gilles Tooling. We have them in stock. They're on our website. The link will be in the description below. Again, thank you for watching, and until next time.